guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have November's Glossy box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So November 2022 Glossy box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, when they normally send this box, it does have like an outer box that I always remove to make it easier. And I was a little confused like what this was, so I just wanted to see the brochure on top, which there is not a brochure on top. There's this little card here that says Rock and Glam. And then it says, scan me with this QR code. So I went to scan it, and on my phone, I could not do it with my normal camera. I had to open up an app that I had from a long time ago, and it actually did read it. But my tablet, it will not read this with the app that's on that one. The way that it is, and I think it's because you see how it has like this line right here. That's just like part of the design of the card. But I think since it was printed right there, it doesn't allow it to get a complete image to pull it up. So if you have issues, you're not the only one. It took me forever just to actually get one of my devices to go to it so I can get some information to tell you guys. So I was able to find out that this is the Rock and Glam is the theme, and this is for November. So that's as far as I got. So it is in their pink box that comes in. I always do save these. They're made so well. The construction of them are made so well that I can never see me just tossing them. I save them to use as like mailer boxes, to save them for my craft stuff, to organize my stickers. I have things organized in these boxes all over my house. So there's that. And you always get the ribbon right inside. So we have the black ribbon, which I do save those. And then when we open this up, a sneak peek to inside of this box looks like that. So let's go ahead and see what we have in here. Since I did barely was able to get onto that site, I did screenshot it, and then I went ahead and just printed out my screenshot so I could get a little bit of information for you guys. So the first product that I'm pulling out is by Grande Cosmetics. I know their mascara is really good, so I'm sure this would be good too. This is black in color, and it is a 2-in-1 liquid eyeliner plus lash enhancing serum. So it's an eyeliner with the serum for your lashes. I personally do not use liquid liner, so I will save this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. But it is a full-size product valued for $36. So this product right here is more than the entire box. The Grande liner as a 2-in-1 ultra black liquid liner infused with lash enhancing serum that promotes longer and fuller looking lashes over time. Plus, with a 12-hour wear and water-resistant formula, it is perfect for them all-day looks. Again, valued for $36. Okay, so now we have is one satin pillowcase by the Vintage Cosmetics. Does it say what size it is? Silky satin prevents bedhead and pillow creases. It's a standard pillow size. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you would probably know I received one pillowcase a long time ago, and I was so confused on why a box would just send one pillowcase, because I have 2 different pillows on my bed. And I have king size, not standard size. So it was just a little confusing, like why someone would send something not knowing what size pillows I have, not knowing my bed situation, how many people sleep in my bed, how many pillows I have. So just one single small pillowcase I never agree with, because I don't have any small standard pillows. So I will gladly set this aside for one of you guys to enjoy. But it is a one single pillowcase that is a standard size. That's what it looks like. And this is a full-size product valued for $9.99. Satin pillowcase leopard. Sleep sweetly with this darling satin pillowcase from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. Its silky fabric will reduce friction on your hair and face, minimizing split ends and creases. Better yet, this pretty pillowcase will add a vintage chic to any bedroom. Again, valued for $9.99. All right, so now we have, it says Age Restore Nighttime Therapy. Alrighty, let's see what that is all about. This right here says it's a deluxe size. This is a 75 ml worth $30. The full size is a 1.7 ounce valued at $95. Woo! Deeply hydrate and improve skin's elasticity and tone with this Age Restore Nighttime Therapy. Scientifically formulated, this moisture-boosting nighttime treatment provides proven age-defying benefits while also soothing and nourishing the skin. So it sounds like that does a whole lot of stuff. And this size right here is valued for $30. The full size is $95. So if you like it, you can buy the full size. But that's great that you do have a good size to try. Now we have, it says RMS Beauty Tinted Daily Lip Balm. Let's get this one open. It says it's in Darling Lane, would be the color. And this is full size. It's a $22 value. Let me open this carefully because I don't do much with my lips, as you can tell. So I will save this for one of you guys as well. I will show you what it looks like. The packaging anyway. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's just all silver. And that is the color right there. I believe I have one of these already in my arsenal. And again, I don't really do anything with them. So I'd rather this go to somebody who would use it. It is a very, very pretty color. And it's valued for $22. All right, we have 2 items left. This one says Aromatherapy Associates London De-Stress Muscle Gel, Focus and Soothing. Ooh, maybe I'll give this to my man because for Christmas, I got him, he wanted a sit-up bench. Well, when it came, he was here, so he saw what he got. So I'm like, no sense in me trying to hide this big old box and trying to wrap it. Go ahead and just open it and put it together and it's yours early. So if he's going to start like working out and doing things, this would be amazing because if he has any sore muscles or anything like that, or if I get any sore muscles, this would be great to have around the house. De-Stress Muscle Gel, Focusing and Soothing. Let me make sure there's no lavender in it to make sure. For me, it says lavender, so I personally won't use it. I will let him use it. So this right here says De-Stress Muscle Gel. This is a 40 ml worth $15. It's the deluxe size. The full size is 150 ml valued at $42. This best-selling De-Stress Muscle Gel first cools inflamed muscles before a deep comforting warmth. With invigorating black pepper and warm ginger, this is the perfect antidote to any intense workout or demanding day. Leaves muscles relaxed and soothed. Tip, if you suffer from tension headaches, apply muscle gel to the back of your neck at work or on the go. That's a great tip. Again, this size right here is valued for $15. So the last product in here, it says Advanced Fango Active Mud for Face and Body. This right here is the deluxe size. It's a 0.5 ounce worth $14.70. The full size is a 1.7 ounce valued for $52. Minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for firming looking skin with this revitalizing mask. Just apply an even layer to cleanse skin and leave on for about 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. So seems very, very simple. It says apply a generous layer to cleanse skin, face, neck, and or body. Avoid lip and eye area. Leave on for, this says 2 to 5 minutes, but you can do 5 to 10. Rinse it off with warm water, and it says to use 1 to 2 times a week or as needed. So there you go. And again, this size right here is $14.70. So a quick recap to everything that came in this November box. You have this face mask. You have a muscle cream. You have an eyeliner. You have this night face repair moisturizing cream as well. There is a lip product, and then you have the satin pillowcase. All right, you guys, so that is everything that came in the November 2022 box. What did you guys think of the items that they put inside? What do you think of the theme? Let me know down below what you thought. If you would like a little bit more information about Glossybox, I will let you know right about now. I do have them linked down below if you would like to follow that to go to their site so you can check out their subscription box or their skincare line. Glossybox has their own skincare line, and I absolutely love everything that I've tried so far. So you can definitely go and check them out. For this one, if you do month per month, it is $21 per box. If you go to a 12-month plan, you do not have to pay it in full. You pay it monthly at that guaranteed locked year rate, and it brings it down to $18 per box. It's free international shipping. You have a nice constructed box, and you have a ribbon every month that you can save and keep with all of the products inside. You can cancel at any time, and you do get 5 products always, which today I think we got more than 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 this time. Normally you get 5 products with a guaranteed worth of $70 or more in every box. So that is everything for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew.